Ay, 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 ay.
Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this cute little doggy bone. I had made this green one, but we will be doing this smaller purple one. All you will need is 13 elastics, a hook, and that's it. This is a hook process. You will not need a loom. I made this tiny little bone to go with my cute little dog. It has a face, so the snout right here, 2 eyes, 1 black ear and 1 tan ear. The paws are black and the tail. It stands up. So, let's get started. First, you will grab your hook, make an infinity sign with 1 single band, just put it on and twist it. Just put it on and twist it once, and you will see that there's 2 parts. You grab those 2 parts at the same time, twist it, and put it back on the hook so that it's around 4 times. Some people like to wrap it around 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. You grab a band and you twist it upon itself, like so. Hook it onto your hook and slide your little twist thing that you just made on to that part of the band that you just twisted upon itself. You will make 1 more of these little knots. Don't forget to twist it upon itself for a double band. Now that you have 2 of these little knots, you will be grabbing one band, twisting it upon itself like the other 2, hooking it onto the hook part, and sliding those little knot things onto it, and hooking the other part of the elastic back onto the hook. You should have something that looks like this. Grab 1 more band, twist it upon itself, and put it onto the hook and slide this onto it. Grab another band, twist it upon itself, hook it onto the hook part, and slide it upon that elastic, and hook it back onto it, and you should have something that looks like this. Your bone is starting to come out. Now slide this figure down Sorry, you will be adding 1 more band. So twist it upon itself, hook it onto the hook and slide this on. Like so. Slide this down your hook, like this. Make a figure 8. Grab the 2 pieces and twist it and wrap it around so that it's 4 times, or you can just twist it around 4 times. Grab another elastic, twist it upon itself, hook it onto the hook, and slide that little knot thing that you just made onto it, and slide the elastic back onto the hook. Now you will be making 1 more. Now that you have 2 of these little knots, grab another elastic, twist it upon itself, hook it onto the hook, and slide all 3 of these onto it. So 1, 2, and 3. And just slide the other part of the elastic onto the hook, like this. You will be making a slip knot. So, what I do is I grab a smaller hook, I grab the bottom elastics, and just fold it over, since it's a little harder, and just do a little tug. Do not take this off yet. So now you will stretch it out so that it's like a little hole. Put this part of the bone inside of that. And take your hook off. And boom, you have a little bone. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and you should try it out. And please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Bye, love you.